Honey, what you cooking for lunch?
I'm frying eggplant. Brinjal.
Why are you sweating so much?
Goodness, it is so hot here, guys.
Oh God. Look. What else did you cook? What else did you cook?
Dal. Hot.
Okay, dal. Eggplant, brinjal.
Rice.
What else? Mom cooked rice over here. Right?
Rice.
Look. Indian style. Okay. So I already ate mine and she forgot to record. So how is your food now? How is your food?
Good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And look at her taste, guys. He's eating. Boom, he's out now. Look at his plate. Oh, he's cleaning it up.
And pickle.
Joe begin. Petty boy.
And mango.
Guys,
Yummy
it's called
mango.
Mankurat mango or Alfonso mango.
Best. Alright guys, after eating lunch in Goa is a tradition, especially when it's mango season, to eat mango. And then I just like to peel it up like this. And somebody asked, did I just throw this like out in the street? No, I'm gonna show you where I put it. We go over. As you can see, we have our tulsi growing. And we have all of our other flower trees going. And we put them out, like I said, in the garden. Because why? Act as fertilizer. So no, I do not litter. I like to clean garbage. I like clean places to live. So that's why we put them in the garden, to help fertilize the plants. So there's your answer. Alright guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, share and follow for more. Bye guys.